What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to Raven Cap. I totally forgot the name of the hike I was doing, but I think it's Raven Cap. It's an hour and 14 minutes away from me, so yeah, we're doing a sunrise hike. So gotta take my flashlight with me. I'm taking my nephews with me and Akira, so I don't go alone, and it's gonna be fun. So let's go. So I'm just picking up my nephews right now, and I still gotta go get gas. So I'm gonna go get gas, and then I'm gonna head over there. It's an hour and 39 minutes away, so I should be there at 5:33. Sunrise is apparently at 6:20, so I think we will reach the summit before the sunrise. So well, hopefully we'll see what the weather does. I don't know, weather is really unpredictable, so hopefully the weather allows us to see a good sunrise. So oh shit. Come on. Turn off your light.
Sorry. Turn off the light.
Oh, hold on. Whoa!
It's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad right now. It's because there's a little bit of light.
And the camera it looked dark when I right.
Yeah, my camera. Whoa. Probably do. Just talk.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love.
So what?
Are you gonna be?
She's like, I thought it would be fresh food.
Still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be.
With the vines, like the trees.
Yeah.
So was waking up at 3 o'clock worth it?
I think so, yeah.
I think so too. It's just once in a lifetime. Who was? Turkey?
Yeah.
Finally home. My nephews and nieces already went inside the house. I am pretty worn out. I'm ready to go take a fat ass nap. I'm tired. I woke up at 3 a.m. so I'm running on very little sleep, but it was honestly so worth it. It was such a beautiful view. The sunrise is just a whole different experience. I really can't explain it. If you're ever in Georgia, or if you live in Georgia, I would recommend you to go visit Raven Bald. It's the second highest peak in Georgia. So the highest peak in Georgia is Brasstown Bald, which I think would also be a great location to see the sunrise. But Raven Bald is the second highest peak, and it is less crowded than Brasstown Bald. But regardless of it all, if you watched it to the end, I'm really thankful. I hope you guys liked the video and you enjoyed it. I hope it encourages you or even motivates you to go out and explore your hometown. Go and drive off. It's free will, man. We have free will, and I just would do it. It's such a cool experience. It's an adventure, and I'm always down for an adventure. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked the video, and I'm hoping to post a lot more hiking video. Waterfalls are calling, and deuces.